Good morning, friends. Welcome to my rooftop garden. The concept of rooftop garden has been very popular now. Many people, for their good engagement in the passing time, they are setting up their rooftop garden on their roof. Some are developing a small kitchen garden type, and some are having big one. Many people even they're planting many fruit trees on the rooftop. So the concept of rooftop garden is a healthy concept. People are now passing the time, everyone beyond the age group in mobile. They are busy many times in social sites, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and many YouTube. But actually they are not getting time for their health. So rooftop garden is a part of health consciousness of the people. You can find this rooftop garden is developed with a very strategic way. My rooftop garden was developed before 3 months. As I was thinking to pass my time in a good way, so I started thinking on different ideas, and I found the best one is developing a rooftop garden where you can engage yourself with green substances. You can take the green substances through your sense organs, seeing them, watching them, feeling them, and understanding them, their contribution to your health. So you can find various type of vegetable plants, the flowering plants, medicinal plants are planted on my rooftop garden. This is organic, purely organic. When I developed this rooftop garden, I went to many YouTube videos. I found the organic substance means the fertile earth and the compost, cow dung, if you find, or any organic substance you can put without chemical manures or pesticides, insecticides, etc. So accordingly, I selected good earth from the delta of a nearby river. About 3 trips of earth was taken. It was pulled onto the 4-story building rooftop, and I got a very good compost manure from a nearby milkman. So this cow dung was very fertile. So after putting them together, it was given almost 20 days sunlight. When the cow dung and the earth become dried, that time it was mixed and Then again it was given 20 days more to receive the sunlight. Since it is open area, so the sunlight is huge here. The whole day the earth and the cow dung, they got sunlight. So after that I started planting seeds. I found I was little bit excited and also afraid that whether I will get success on this my project, whether the plants would come or not. So I was excited and also afraid. Though I have been a habit of gardening since my childhood days. I was staying in village many years during up to my class 7th, means up to 12 years I was staying at villages, and I have seen the village atmosphere, the cultivation, the gardening, the horticulture, the periculture, the fisheries, everything I have seen, enjoyed my childhood time. So, but now the children are not getting this type of exposure, since there are more nuclear families, joint families are breaking down. People are not now liking to stay together. They are developing their own concept of nuclear families, where the husband, wife and their children or child are staying. So very few people have any contact with their that extended family members staying in different places, mainly in the village. People are getting very narrow-minded now. They are not understanding how nicely the extended family or the joint family concept has a very good impact on the children's overall development or integrated development. So anyway, we are fortunate because we had some time passing with our grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunties, siblings, and many people at the village. The village has a very, very important impact on the children's personality. The village folk, the village drama, the village pujas, worshipping God, and observing many festivals throughout the year is extremely good for getting a wholesome personality. Today, our children are getting more time, passing the time with mobiles, with tablets, with television. Except going to school, they don't have time to go to play, to go to different places, visiting or giving the satisfaction to their sense organs or their personality. So that is a very big concern today. Big concerns today, because the parents are staying alone. So, but it is a change in the nature of time. The change is there, but accept all changes. We must adore that we should give exposure to our children about the village atmosphere, different places. We have to definitely take them to the village to meet them with their grandparents and the other people of the village, and to show them the village folks, the village festivals. They are very important. So now what is happening due to this, that today the children, the youth, they are losing their their temperament. They don't have much patience. They are very aggressive. They are very irritated sometimes. They get angry quickly. So I find this also with my children. So this is very important. So I try to take them to sometimes to village, and my parents also come here. So anyway, that is going well, but it is less. I can say this is less. So my request to all the parents staying in the city must develop this type of concept, that if they place, they can at least put some kind of flowering plants, some kind of vegetable plants on the rooftop or in their balcony, so that the children will get some time to engage themselves by giving water, by giving earth, or anyway. So these are the different things are coming up today. So organic, why I'm telling organic for this my garden, because my garden I have not used any type of manure, chemical manure, pesticides, insecticides, and these are the concept. So even I started selling some of the vegetables in the market, though it is less, but I feel it is a good idea that to produce the thing and to consume yourself in the family, in your surroundings, and also to sell them to get a little money. So that's fine. But now the condition is how to manage this rooftop garden. Somebody told me that if you can think in the rooftop garden, means you can say you can expose your rooftop garden to the audience of all kind of audience, so you can even sell your product in a better rate. So today I pluck a good number of lady's finger, good number of brinjal, good number of beans from my rooftop garden. You can see the things are coming up very good way. These are the beans. These are the beans are coming up. You can see. So these are the rooftop garden. So the concept is very good, and people must welcome this concept to pass their time with a green substance. And this is all about rooftop garden. Thank you very much.